Hey guys, Jason again with BounceWater Inflatable Sails, showing off the 23-foot Volcano with slip and slide attachment. Same unit that's in the other video with the pull attachment, can go either way. A really good looking unit. Slip and slide also has the 3D lava dripping down the center beam, as you can see. Makes the slide really look good. It really pops. Red slip liners. Just a totally different look than your standard waves and palm trees. And where the slide and slip and slide meet, as you can see, all Velcro overlays completely down the sides, bottom attachments, side attachments, Velcro overlays down the slip covers for a seamless run all the way to the pool, where most companies just put a bottom Velcro overlay for the attachment. We have multiples on our slides. Large pool here with a bumper. 6mm slip liners and pool liner, again the thickest in the industry. Right now the back side of the slide is with 1 horsepower blower on it. Pretty impressive for 23 foot tall. And just a really good looking piece here. Give BounceWater Sales a call at 813-947-5002.